Take a look at this professional website. I made this in just 5 minutes. Now if you think that's good, then take a look at this website. I made this one with just a few clicks and absolutely no experience in coding. You see, in the last couple of months, I've tested over 20 AI website builders. This is the 3 that I think are the best. These AI tools will help you create professional websites in just a matter of minutes without writing a single line of code, and if you have zero design skills. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how each one of these platforms work. I'll take you through all the pros and the cons, and then by the end of it, you can decide which one is best for you. So whatever the reason is for you needing these websites, I can guarantee you that it's gonna save you thousands upon thousands of dollars in development. And just to show you how incredible these tools are, I'm gonna be creating the exact same concept on each one of these builders to show you how incredibly easy it is to use all the features and how to create your own website in just a few clicks. And also, I've included all of these tools in the description below, but if you're gonna want to find out how to use them, then you're gonna have to stay till the end of this video. But right now, let's check out the first AI website builder. So guys, the first website builder that I want to show you guys is called 10Web AI. And guys, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to the website and then you're gonna click on this here, which says create a new website with AI. So guys, all you're gonna do is you're gonna fill in your details here and then you're gonna press on create. So as you can see guys, it's setting up the hosting, it's also installing everything, and it's creating your WordPress website. And then you're going to click on here where it says generate with AI. So this is basically going to put all of the cool touches into the website for you. It's going to take you over here and then you're going to click on this to say that I want to create an informational website. Then guys, you're just going to click on next. You're going to select the type of business that you are. So as you can see guys, there's a whole lot of different options here. For me personally, I'm going to choose this one right over here, which is digital agency. So over there guys, I'm just going to put in Zinho Media. And then when it comes to describe your company, this is actually another cool little thing where you can basically just type in anything that you want, and then you'll see in the top right hand corner it says enhance with AI. So once you click on that, it will actually give you a description based on the little things that you typed in. So I just typed in Xenomedia's YouTube channel, and as you can see guys, there it gave us an entire piece, and this is what it's going to be using to create the website. So then guys, I'm just going to click on no for the domain website. You're going to click in your desired domain name. I'm going to click in Zinho Media, and then I'm just going to click on next at the bottom. And now guys, this is pretty cool. So this is basically where you can modify your site. So this is basically where you can edit the layout and basically make it look the way that you want to. So if you click on the plus sign, you can add anything that you want to the home page. So you can add in a blog section, you can add in a contact section, anything that you want to, and you can also change a couple of things. So if I want to change the title to blogs, or if I want to change it to contact us, then I can do that over here before it starts generating everything. And then guys, once you are happy with everything, all you have to do is just go into the corner and click on next. Now you're going to select the style of everything. So as you can see, this is the color schemes that they're going for. You can see it on the button icon in the middle. I'm going to go for purple and yellow because I like that. And then, yeah, you can see there's a couple of more options on the side, but everything is fine. So you're just going to click on next. Okay guys, so now as you can see, our website is created. Everything has been generated. You'll actually see that it gave us a background image, it gave us our title, and this was literally created in just a couple of minutes guys. This gave us an entire thing. Look there, the subscriber count, the year that it started, how many videos is up there. And the cool thing is, if you double click on any of these things, you can change it to make it look the way that you want to. And guys, as you know, this is a WordPress website. So the cool thing about that is 70% of the websites on the internet is all WordPress. So it is a trusted source, and that's how you know you're gonna get the best quality out of the website. So guys, once I scroll up a little bit here, guys, you'll actually notice that there is a whole lot of things that you can actually do on the website. So the first thing that I like is you can actually see how the website will look on a PC, on a tablet, and also on a phone, just by clicking on these little icons here. And then when you click on the left by elements, you'll actually notice that there's a whole lot of different stuff that you can add. You can add in headers, you can add in images, videos. All of these is just helping the customization part of it all. So that just shows they're giving you a placeholder, but it's up to you to basically make it look the way that you want to, that you can then change the way that you want to, the way it fits your personal style. And then guys, another part that I actually really like is they even added an about section. So once you click on the about section, you'll see that it even has our mission, our values, meeting the team. You can click on contact, you can click on the categories. And the coolest thing is guys, once you go over to the home page, then you'll notice all of these extras. So you can click on the pages, you can actually check your headers, your footer, and here on the side guys, you can check your domain names. And then this is a part that a lot of people are gonna like, the website booster section. So this is actually where you can check how your website is performing, and if not, you can actually make your website perform even better just by applying a couple of things over here. And guys, when it comes to the widgets, there's a lot of things on 10Web that you can actually use that's going to really take your website game to the next level. And this is the cool thing. If you do pay the extra extra $20, you can also buy an additional website to add onto this. So you can add multiple websites just using 10Web. But if you do want to add on a website with that plan, then it just costs an extra $20. But right now, guys, it's time for us to check out our next website builder, which is Dora AI. So guys, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to Dora. You go in to create an account, you're gonna link your Gmail address, and then guys, you're gonna type in your name, you're gonna pick a category, and then once you do, guys, in one click, it's gonna give you a website like this. So guys, this is the personal Zinho Media website that was created using Dora. And as you can see, guys, there's a whole lot of stuff that is going on here. It actually gave us a full-on website with every single piece needed. And now the cool part is it still leaves open the door to customize it in any way that you want to. And the nice thing is, once you click on icons like the logo, let's say you're not a fan of it, you can just click on the regenerate tab. You can just click on this tab over here, and then you can click on regenerate, and it's basically going to change it up for you. Now, I like that one personally. And then when you go down here, let's say you're not a fan of these images, all you have to do is just regenerate images, and it's going to use AI to give you new images in that place. And then next to that, you can see there's a little icon that says restyle. Once you click on that, it's basically going to change the layout for you, and it's going to make it look totally different. Now, that is something that I do like, so it gives you the power to change it up the way you want to, but at the same time, it is still using AI to do all of the hard work. And then on top of it also, if you click on pages, you can actually add in other pages, just like with 10Web. But the cool thing is, I must admit that Dora just does take it that extra step. And so far, guys, Dora is looking like my personal favorite. And then, guys, when you go back to the home page for Dora, all you have to do is just click on this website icon over here, and then you can actually manage it. And also, guys, if you click on marketing, you can click on CRM, you can click on invoicing and all of these things. And the nice thing is, this is really the best way to actually manage your website. So over here, you can create invoices for your clients. You can market your website in any way that you want to. By clicking on here, you can just generate a brand. And then, guys, look at what it does. It actually goes the next step by actually creating mock-ups for your brand. And this is something that is pretty cool. When it comes to the Zinho Media brand, I must admit, guys, that I am really liking the t-shirt and the bag. And also, guys, for invoicing, it gives you examples for your invoicing. And that's one of the amazing things about this. It has the professional element to it. And that is something that really does stand out about Dora. And now, guys, if you are keen on checking out Dora for yourself, guys, the plans start from $15 a month all the way up until $95 a month, guys. But if you do go to the yearly plans, then it is a little bit cheap at $12. And I would suggest, guys, if you are starting out, try out the starter plan before jumping to the other ones, because there's a lot of things that you can do with the starter. And let's see if it can actually top on what Dora has done. Okay, guys, so for our final website builder, it's actually one that's completely free. And this one is called Dora AI. So, guys, once you set up your account, it's gonna take you over here. So this is basically to ask for your information so that it can better understand who you are and the type of website that you need. So, guys, and then when you're done with all of that, it's gonna take you over here, and this is where the creation starts. So, guys, you can actually use the prompt section of this, and that's gonna bring AI into the equation, and it's gonna give you exactly what you want. So it says a landing page for, I'm just gonna type in Zinho Media YouTube channel. And then, guys, when you go over here to the bottom by the styles, it's basically gonna give you a couple of different options that you can go for. So we're just gonna click on the neon, and then you're gonna click on here for generate previews. And there we go, guys, our landing page is completed. And all you have to do is basically just click on it, and then you can actually generate it for 20 credits. Now, it only took us 20 credits to basically create the previews. And guys, as you can see here, when you do zoom in your PC just a little bit, you can actually zoom in on everything, and then you can actually have a pretty good idea of how everything looks. Now, out of these two, I'll be honest, guys, I am really feeling this one over here. So I'm just gonna click on generate, guys, and then it's gonna start the generating. And now it's actually giving us an entire landing page in just a few seconds. And there we have it, guys. Our landing page is completed. Now, the one thing that you will notice, guys, is that it did kind of mess up with the text just a little bit over here, guys. But overall, I must admit that it looks pretty cool. So now all you have to do is basically just click on here, publish online, and then your website goes live. But before we do that, let's just take a look at it. And as you can see, guys, this does look pretty cool. Now, the nice thing is you can just click on anything that you want to, and you can basically change it up. But for a free website builder, I must admit this did a pretty good job. Now, there is other website builders out there that can do a job very similar to this, but they do charge a certain amount. And the fact that all of this was done using AI waited just a couple of seconds for it to finish. I must say, guys, I am absolutely impressed. And guys, to make it even better, guys, all you have to do is just click on stuff like this. So if you do click on regenerate, then basically you can change it up basically a little bit. So you can change up your landing page, you can change up the option that you chose, just in case you maybe do feel like you wanted to go back. And then guys, also you can also change up the full on layout of everything. You can add in a couple of pages, so you can really bring this thing to your own, and you can basically make it look the exact way that you want to for your personal website or your business website. But guys, I will still admit that the two that really did stand out as the professional standard, the professional grade website builders, it has to be 10web and also Durable. Those are the two that I would definitely recommend that you guys do go for, because it does give the options actually customizing a website, actually checking it out with regards to branding, with regards to actually licensing, with regards to actually marketing your website, and also really, if you are someone that looks at SEO, then that is the options to go for. But if you are looking for a quick landing page to create, then go for the option of Dora. Out of the three, the one that I am leaning towards is actually Durable, but that is just because Durable has certain things that I like. So if you guys have anything that you like, then drop them in the comments below so that we can know which one of these three website builders you prefer. So that is the 3 AI website builders that I would personally recommend. But if I missed out on any, then please let me know down in the comments below. And while you are down there, subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. And if you enjoyed this video, then I have a feeling that you're gonna love the video that's coming up right about now. And also guys, remember that I will catch you on the next one.